So, hi. Bahala na, motovlogs here. So, update lang. After kanina. So, bumalik ako ng shop and nandun na yung in-order natin na T-post bowl. Yan. Still, RSMM yung shop. So, if you would like to get some mura dun and legit. It's only for each piece is for 80 pesos. Ayan. So after nun, nagpalit na din ako ng ibang bolts. Napasobra at nag-enjoy ako masyado. So nagpalit na tayo dito. So ito malit lang to is 50 pesos. Yung mushroom, lagyan na tayo ng dumi. Ang mushroom 50 pesos. I think nasabi ko na. Hindi ko matandaan. Tapos nagpalit na din tayo dito. Ayan. Ito is mini mahaba. So 60 pesos. So palit na din tayo dyan. Ito, full. Ito, hindi ko lang bakit di ko matanggal. Same, yan, dito. Sa may sobrang sa ng ating brake fluid. Then sa brake master, nagpalit na din tayo ng bolts. So this 50. So, and then I think there's more in the other side. So inabot na akong gabi kasi nag-isip pa ako ng mga papalitan. And then same for this one, 50 pesos. So I need to trim it. So kita nyo, putol na siya. As in saktong-sakto lang siya dito. And then dito hindi ko na siya pinutol kasi wala mo siyang tatamaan. Dito kasi tatama. And what else? Same for this one. Can't remove it. I'll make a video on how to take it off or how you could remove it. It's about you will need to pour it. Kung dun sa iba sinisilsel, I don't like yung sinisilsel kasi ma-lost thread yung na sa loob. Pero sa inyo pa din kung anong trip nyo. So this one, nagpalit na din tayo dito mga and then mushroom type din. So hindi ko pa napapag-isipan palitan yung natin or maglagay ng cover kasi ang hirap na niyang linisan kasi ligan pa ng cover, so may ipon yung dumi. But still, it's perfect. Still for protection. It really depends on you. Yeah. So anyway, update dun sa ginawa ko kanina. So it looks brand new. If you can see, since there's a light, you will see that there are no hairlines. Walang gas-gas. And kasi yung susi ko, is this, mabigat siya. So pag binubuksan ko to, minsan tumama na nga. Pag binubuksan ko siya, bumabagsak siya and nagagasgasan. Bumili din ako kanina ng lahat ng pinagpalitan kong bolts. Nandiyan, ang dami. Ito, yung toe strap. May akong toe strap. Oops. Dapat ilalagay ko siya pero napangitan ako. So giveaway ko na lang. Sayang kasi kahit matatambak. So Spargo. I don't know what that brand is, but it looks cool. So pamimigay ko na lang. Giveaway. Wala pa tayong pero giveaway ko na. Comment lang kayo. Then like and subscribe. Kahit taga saan pa kayo, i-ship ko to. So ano ba? Ano pa bang changes yung ginawa ko? Almost forgot. So yung RAM intake, I've seen a lot of FI here in Quezon City. They're using RAM intake. So ginagawa nila, pinuputol nila yung sa NMAX na kinakabit. Well, what I've done, if you can remember, there's yung sa sa airbox. Pero ito yon. So tinanggal ko siya kanina. And mainit. Tinanggal ko siya kanina. Tapos tinry ko siya kasi nga naano ako na baka mabasa or ano. Promise, it sounds awesome. I don't know if because of this. I don't know what this is. I just found it selfish. Nineno ko. Nakakalat kasi dun. So I don't know what that for, but it looks good. And there's a hole here. Well, you see, there's a hole. You can plug it. I assure you, if you plug it, it sounds much better. So for now, hindi ko siya tinatakloban. Tinatakloban ko siya kanina, dinandaliri lang. Ang ganda ng dalag. Especially when you're revving it. Sounds awesome. Well, pakita ko sa inyo. At yung aking underglow. So, papakita ko rin sa inyo na bago pa siya. Na maraming lang akong binaklas. Yan pa lang natatakbo ko. 636 na. So, yan. It's my underglow. If you want to see this kind of combination, it's white and red. So it turns like a little purple in the inside, and the other half is white and the other half is red. And it looks good. I assure you, if you would like to try this color combination, it looks good. So I'm going to do another one. I'm going to put it here inside para may glow din tayo sa ano. Para kasi pagdating dito, patay yung kulay niya. Sa gitna lang. You can see. But still, looks good. And almost lahat dito sa part na to is napalitan ko na ng bolts. Yung crankcase na lang talaga. Since may hinihintay nga tayong left side na, right side na crankcase. So, inside, check natin yung inside. Wala pa tayo napapalitan dyan. Wala pa. Yung wiring, pinalik ko nga pala yung fender. Kasi nyo kanina, pinalik ko yung fender. Kasi maulan. So, papalitan din natin ng bolts yan. I'm going to, trying to make this bike as a 100% gold bolts. As I can. So, lahat yan. Dito, from the inside, that bolt, everywhere. I'll try my best. Kahit masakit sa bulsa. Hindi ko naman siya ipang show. Gusto ko lang siyang maganda tingnan. Then, sa pagbabuffing, I'll do a video as well. If I can get at least 100 likes. At least 100 likes. Napakita ko sa inyo yung process ng pagbabuffing. Like this one. I buff it, but it's not finished. It's not a finished buff. But still looks awesome. Especially when you remove the fender. I mean the leg shield, I mean. So still looks good. Dito you can try yung first yung kaninang video where how you can remove hairline scratches. So just check that video so that you can copy it. But I'm sure it's safe. I've been doing it multiple times now, but in a different bike. So, ito na lang. Lever na lang yung kulang. Yan. Then those bolts. Then yung the insides. So, I need to buy bolts. Banjo bolts. Axle. What else? I don't like to change my leader. Yan na may mga nagfi-feeling racers sa daan. I don't want to change it. Ayoko lang ma-encounter yung kahit anong issue. Basta ayoko lang palitan. Banjo bolt lang. Palit ako. So, 4 na banjo bolt. Mura na siya ngayon. Especially in RSMM. I've been checking it online. So, some shops still selling it the same amount. But, I assure you guys, it's not worth it. If you're seeing it on Shopee, Lazada, go to RSMM. I'm plugging it because I'm buying it there and it's really cheap. And it's legit. Well, you can buy a cheap one in Shopee or Lazada, but you can't guarantee that it's a legit bolt. So, kung gusto nyo legit, punta tayo sa legit na shop. Bibili ka na nga lang yung mura pa, hindi ka pa sure. So, sayang. Tapos bibili ka din ng bago, original. So, yeah. Let me know if you need more no, I mean, if you have some questions, put it on the comment. So, naka 10 minutes na ako kakadaldal dito. So, wala man lang ano, basta let me know if you ask something or if you need something or anything that I could do or show you. Hit me up or then please don't forget to like and subscribe para naman ganahan pa tayo. um yeah, that's all. Giveaway, comment, like and subscribe. Sparta. Peace out, bro.